Hi everyone, this is Jayashree, Assistant Professor, Department of IoT. So we are continuing with the lecture about cancer. Carcinoma is nothing but a skin cancer. Next is sarcoma. So what is a sarcoma? Begins in bone or cartilage, other connective tissues. Bone cancer we call it as sarcoma. Bone sarcoma, soft tissue sarcomas are there. And leukemia. What is this? Is another type of cancer, leukemia. It is begins in blood forming tissues. Blood cancer, we call it as leukemia, causes large number of abnormal blood cells and enters the blood. Then ages from 0 to 5, 14 to 18, 19 to 40, 60 plus age group persons gets affected through this leukemia. It is common for children. Subtype is lymphoblastic leukemia, T cell leukemia. Right. Then lymphoma and myeloma. What is that? It starts from white blood cells, affects the lymph nodes of specific sites, stomach. It affects in stomach, brain, intestine. There are two types: B cell lymphocytes and T cell lymphocytes. Next is myeloma, begins in plasma cells. Myeloma. So it is a type of blood cancer. Plasma cells are capable of producing various antibody. So it can damage the bones, kidney, red blood cell count. That is myeloma. So general again, the central nervous system cancers. Nervous system cancer starts with the brain tissue and the spinal cord. The brain controls the body by sending electrical messages along nerve fibers. Brain and spinal cord forms the central nervous system. Mm, Brain or spinal cord forms the central nervous system. The brain controls the body by sending electrical different messages. So this is another type. Central nervous system gets affected due to this type of cancer. So brain and the spinal cord gets affected. See the normal cell division and the cancer division. How it is? What is the difference? Look into this cell. So, if the cell gets affected, look into the left side of this picture. The cell gets damaged, so that cell get died. So, this is normal cell division. Cancer cell division is in normal cell. If the cell gets affected, get and the cell died. In cancer, that damaged cells gets divided and multiplied into a huge growth that producing tumors, and further it changed into a cancer. Okay, right. So next picture, look into this picture. Normal cells, it's divided into 2, 4, 8, like it gets multiplied of a same size. Whereas cancer cells are, look into the bottom picture, many cells of irregular shape that continue to grow and divide. Variations in size and shapes of cells. Nucleus is larger and darker than normal. Abnormal number of chromosomes are arranged in a disorganized fashion, a cluster of cells without a boundary. So here, so this is a um, irregular, that is cancerous cells are irregular. The rows of cell division in cancer: normal cell division, bottom unregulated cell division, and the tumor cell division. Spreads of cancer, how the cancer gets spread. Primary and the secondary cancer, the place where a cancer starts in the body is called primary cancer. Right. So these are spread to other parts of the body. They can form other tumors that are known as secondary cancers. So the place where the cancer starts, starting place we call it as primary cancer, where further the primary cells spreads the tumor into the secondary cells. Okay. So thanks for watching. We continue this in our next lecture.